Duprin 88 device. These are so easy to work on. All you need is the axle spool assembly. I have to carry hundreds of these on my truck because they're always coming out. When the 88 changed, went to push pads. Even though these things are still kind of compliant. Let's put her back together. First, let's check because the spring for these is over here on this side. The stronger spring. It's still there. You know what? Oh, I got it. Make sure the set screws on the bottom are tight. I would say that's working. Okay. While I'm here, I also have to. They requested to be rekey the lock, so I will do that now. These are so easy. Make sure you have one of these axle spool assembly things. Of course, that only works when you haven't shoved something in there to prevent the kids from removing it, like I guess I've done already. Oh, we don't. Well, usually I take it out, drop the bar down, take the handle off. But we can work around that. Woohoo! Old school Mickey Mouse setup. The tailpiece can't be very long because it'll bottom out inside the device. Let's give him a new beauty ring. While I'm at it, I might as well probably right about there. Cut it off. I'll snap it off right there. remember a few videos ago I was mentioning about the hole pattern. The sergeant are up here. So you're trying to put the screws in at an angle. And if you struggle hard and long enough, you can probably get it. But this was prepped for Schlig or Corbin. Need more power. Oh. Come on. Why are you being so difficult to me? When you do it like this, when they loosen up, at least you can't take a screwdriver and spin the whole cylinder and get in. But yeah. Remember, the cylinder in on Duprin's in the middle of the device. So if you were to retrofit this to Sergeant, Precision, or whatever, they're going to be up here, rim cylinder, or you drop the device down, or you turn the plate around backwards and the cam is here, not here. Then it's going to be a little high. Boy, they're going to be shocked when they try to use their keys and they don't work. Love my job. Von Duprin, especially the 88 devices, even the 98, 99 work so smooth when they work. This one's done. Gonna go rekey the girls' locker room now. Lucky me.